Hey there, it's Big Tom, Big Tom's van. I've had a check engine light issue for quite a while. When I clear it, it goes away. I had put a new coil pack on, maybe it's a month ago, I think, and it melted for some reason in a different place. And I've gone and exchanged it. It had a 1 year exchange warranty. I put it in. I have no codes now. The code went away. Uh, After installing that. There's lots of circuits and things you got to check with the multimeter. You need a multimeter to check the uh, harness circuit down in here. That's not the one. One of the places number 7's behind that. That's number 8. Their passenger side will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Driver side 5, 6, 7, 8. Number 7 gave a problem. No problems now. Uh, you have to check the connector, the wiring harness with a multimeter. You check for hertz, check for voltage, check for ohms, ohm it out. Several videos online. I'm not going to make a video on checking your coil pack, but be sure to subscribe. This is Big Tom, the Big Tom's van. Clearing out the codes, doing things you need to do to your van. Of course, there's a big hole right there now with the transmission and all that, and so I got to put the doghouse back on. It's back here behind the curtain. So I don't know if you can see that or not. You need a scan tool of some kind. This is mine. I'm a mechanic, so that's why I have this more expensive one. You can get a cheap one that's just a code reader. Will read the code. Sometimes it will tell you, or there may be a book with it that has a list, or you can get the code and look it up on Google. You can't, when the service engine soon light comes on, that's all it's going to tell you. You've got to hook your scan tool in under here to in that port. That's where your scan tool plugs in. Code reader OBD2 96 and later. I hope that's some information for some people. This Big Tom with the Big Tom's van. Be sure to subscribe, mash that bell like Maddie Van Halen says, and you'll be notified if I ever do another video and post it there. So, this is what an old engine looks like. Thank you for watching.